Hi everyone. For my resource, my technology resource that I chose for this video is Khan Academy. Um, this is a video for teachers to learn just a little bit about it. It's Khan, Khan, academy.org. I had seen some videos a teacher used from Khan Academy, and I thought that they were actually really helpful because there's some kind of complex ideas in math that I didn't really learn when I was growing up. So I felt these were really good in like breaking down um, an easy way for kids to understand. But as you see, there's more than just math. They have all kinds of lessons here, all kinds of courses. And if you click here, math, and find your grade, say we're doing third grade, and they've got all these lessons, all these units. So you can kind of go from there. You can also, if you are doing a specific subject, say you just want to use this for, commutative property. So we're going to look at commutative property. And right here they have some lessons. So we can open that up. And so here, we're kind of going to look at it. It has up here where you can assign it. It wouldn't let me do a class since I'm not actually a certified teacher right now. But if you had your class, you could import it from Google Classroom and you would be able to assign this to your class and do like a due date and all of that. But since I don't, I'm just going to go through a little bit of this. So, okay, so 10 times 2 equals 2 times 10. And they would go down here to check, and it gives you a little noise, a little star, and you go on to the next question. Now, say if this was something that they needed to work out a little bit, they can come down here and click this, and they can write. If I don't have a tablet right now, so I'm trying to write this on my laptop, but say they needed to write something out, they can do it right there. And also say that they get the answer wrong here. So let's just enter something incorrect. Check. And it says, oh, give it another shot. So you can put get help and it'll come up here with a little explanation. And this can be really helpful because, if you have one teacher going around helping 20 students, instead of trying to answer each one of their questions, they can kind of get an idea here for themselves. And of course, if they still need help, then you can come whenever you're available, then you can help them. But also, they can have a video down here. So you click the video and it's going to show you a little example of how to use a commutative property. So it's a really, really great resource. I recommend it. I'm definitely going to be looking into it for when I get a classroom of my own. I chose this specifically because of how good I think the math videos are, but in learning about it, I have found a lot of really other cool things. I think the assignments are great, that it gives immediate feedback to the students. And yeah, I think it's just a really great resource. So some of you might have heard of it. If you haven't, I advise you to check into it if you're interested in something like that. And thank you for listening to my video.